Oh, il est presque noir.
That's the closest we've gotten to one.
Mane behind the neck, you can see how straight it is.
That's so cool.
That's how to tell if a zebra is in good condition or
Oh,
not.
really? You can see that. Oh,
There's
very
another one
good.
coming
Ooh.
right here.
Et ils étaient très
Oh,
faux, ils étaient très
honey,
foncés.
how pretty. She's like, hey, you guys, waiting for me. That's a pretty bird.
Is that Andrew? Is he joining? Who is joining? Station approaching Makanyani. Isn't the lock on Eastern Private? Chris, which channel have you on? Okay. Is that all coming?
Wanted to get sure that I got some footage of you.
Yeah, please do.
Man, how old's that one? What's the moment there? Don't go behind the tree.
These two here, they're just between 6 months and a year.
Oh, sorry, didn't mean to flash you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do it. Look here, right here.
That's got that little baby by the mother.
The mother doesn't want you to get touched.
Oh my goodness.
Ouais, pas de sommeil, hein.
You guys okay at the back?
You're having fun, aren't you? Look at this blue one lying there on the bed, scratching himself. Is he getting a timeout? Huh?
Yeah.
Il a une grosse puce, hein.
Look at this one over here taking off the bank.
She needs a little private time. He's coming towards us.
How old is he, Megan?
I'd say it's 2 to 3 years old.
Yeah,
Guessing.
2 years, 2 months,
2 years, 2 months.
2 days, yeah, and 3 seconds. Now he's got like 1, 2 twists. Remember that's a 1 turn and a twister a year. Yeah.
So it's starting to get a second twist.
And this tree close to him, yeah.